This morning we got the opportunity to introduce Bouncy, the service dog, to our students. And Bouncy is a very special dog that we have with us this year. And let me tell you why. Bouncy is not what our students are used to seeing with their pets. So Bouncy is a little bit different. Bouncy is a service dog with a prosthetic leg. His main purpose here was to help our students, of course, introducing the breathing and how he can help them stay safe and calm. With the lesson today, we introduced them to different type of breathings, and that is one of the things that Bouncy the dog does. So if I press his red heart here, he starts breathing and showing the students how he takes that deep breath in and breathe out. So that is one of the things that we showed them during the lesson for today, as well as World Mental Health Day, just bringing awareness to how important that is to all of our community here at Hidalgo ISD. We also wanted to point out preparing them for that day on how we can help the students understand and how they can embrace the differences between all of us. So again, this is Bouncy the dog, and we look forward to all of those different lessons coming up throughout the year that is going to help us implement and also teach students other different skills and how he can help them cope. And of course, they left our room today understanding how he is the service helper dog here in our class. And throughout the year, we're going to be incorporating different lessons of how this service dog will help them. Yeah, but it's time for him to leave, okay? So let's go ahead and say bye. Bye.